Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine.
My dear students, today I want to solve new type math, that is 2 years related math from chapter number 3, that is from cash flow statement. At first we want to see the math. The comparative financial statement of Tibbet Company Limited as at 31st December are given below. At first, assets. Cash 2013 40,000 টাকা, but in 2014 50,000 টাকা. Accounts receivable in 2013 15,000 টাকা, but in 2014 10,000 টাকা. Same way, closing inventory, building, machinery, accumulated depreciation, patent. Now, liabilities and stockholders equity. At first, accounts payable, bonds payable, share capital, retain earnings. Okay, dear student, my dear student, just follow here. There is no mention increase or decrease of any assets or liabilities. How we can calculate it? My dear student, just example, say accounts receivable in 2013 15,000 টাকা, but in 2014 10,000 টাকা. So accounts receivable decrease 15,000 টাকা minus 10,000 টাকা, that is 5,000 টাকা. Okay, dear student, another example. How much amount of depreciation in this math? My dear student, just follow accumulated depreciation. In 2014 30,000 টাকা, but in 2013 25,000 টাকা. So depreciation amount is 30,000 টাকা minus 25,000 টাকা is equal to 5,000 টাকা. Okay, dear student, just noted that when mentioned in the adjustment about any item, then we should not search about that item. Okay, dear student. Now, additional information. Net income for 2014 was 8,600 টাকা. Cash dividend paid 6,800 টাকা and stock dividend 3,000 টাকা. Okay, dear student, this is the problem. Now, requirements. Requirement A, calculate the amount of non-cash transaction and share issue in cash. Requirement B, show the sense of comparative financial statement. And requirement C, prepare a cash flow statement. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Solution. Requirement A1, that is calculation the amount of non-cash transaction. My dear student, we know that there are some example of non-cash transaction such as depreciation or amortization, loss on sale of fixed assets, gain on sale of fixed assets, bad debts, etc. Okay, dear student. So here non-cash transaction is depreciation 30,000 টাকা minus 25,000 টাকা is equal to 5,000 টাকা, and amortization of patent 2,000 টাকা minus 1,800 টাকা, that is 200 টাকা. So total non-cash transaction 5,200 টাকা. Okay, dear students. Now A2, that is total amount of share issue in cash. My dear student, ending share capital 90,000 টাকা less beginning share capital 75,000 টাকা. So new issue of share 15,000 টাকা less stock dividend paid, which does not pay in cash 3,000 টাকা, that is 12,000 টাকা in cash. Okay, dear students, thank you. Now, requirement B, that is showing the sense of comparative balance sheet or financial statement. Okay, dear students, we can show it in this way. At first, cash 2014 50,000 টাকা, but 2013 40,000 টাকা. So 10,000 টাকা increase in 2014. Okay, dear students. Same way, accounts receivable 10,000 টাকা minus 15,000 টাকা, that is 5,000 টাকা decrease. Inventory 18,000 টাকা minus 10,000 টাকা, that is 800 টাকা increase. Same way, building, machinery, accumulated depreciation, patent, accounts payable, bonds payable, share capital, retained earnings. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. Now, requirement C, that is cash flows statement under indirect method for the year ended 31st December 2014. My dear student, mind it, we should practice our math for always update. Okay, dear student. At first, cash flows from operating activities. It will be started with here net income 8,600 টাকা. Then adjustment. Amortization 200 টাকা will be added. Decrease of accounts receivable 5,000 টাকা will be added. Increase of inventory 8,000 টাকা will be deducted. Depreciation 5,000 টাকা will be added. Decrease of accounts payable 5,000 টাকা will be deducted. Okay, dear students, finally 2,800 টাকা will be deducted from 8,600 টাকা. So 5,800 টাকা, that is net cash provided by operating activities 5,800 টাকা. Okay, dear students, now cash flows from investing activities. Here only one item, that is purchase of building 3,000 টাকা within bracket. This is called net cash used by investing activities 3,000 টাকা within bracket. Okay, dear students, now cash flows from financing activities. Here issue of share in cash 12,000 টাকা from requirement A. Issue of bonds 2,000 টাকা will be added. Cash dividend paid 6,800 টাকা will be deducted. So finally 7,200 টাকা will be added. Okay, dear students, now 5,800 টাকা minus 3,000 টাকা plus 7,200 টাকা. Then net cash increased in this year 10,000 টাকা. Add opening cash in hand 40,000 টাকা. So closing cash in hand 50,000 টাকা. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C. Thank you so much.